everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and I'm filming on my iPhone right now because this is what the story is about. So unfortunately my camera has decided to play up. It is a lovely Panasonic Lumix. It is a stunning camera, and it has finally decided to crap out on me after I think 2 years. So it started playing up and the dial wasn't working. I've filmed 2 videos on it since, but now the battery's just full not working. So I went to the store and I was like, help me please. I need my camera for Christmas videos. I'm ready. I got my Christmas nails. I am ready, spaghetti, for Christmas time. But alas, they're like, oh no, sorry, we have to send this away to Panasonic because the dial's not working. If it was just the battery, would be able to fix that. And I was like, cool. So sending it away to Panasonic, and because it is Christmas, I will not be getting my camera back for a couple of weeks. So that means no 4K videos. And yeah, pretty much no like updated content, if that makes sense. I've got a lot of videos for backup. I do film on Sunday, Mondays, because that's like my days off. I'm gonna ramble probably a lot on this video. It's just a quick update, but I've filmed this like 4 times because I just keep talking and talking and talking because I can't edit anything out because my camera's not working, so I can't film anything to put it on my freaking computer to edit. So I'm just like, ooh. So yeah, so my camera's not working, so they're gonna send it away. It'll take a couple of weeks because it's Christmas. So I'm just letting you guys know that all of the content will be pre-recorded videos, and if you guys have any suggestions or any videos that you want me to do, like any of the mystery boxes that any of the boxes I've gotten from America or anything, if you want me to review any of the products in there, unfortunately I cannot because I cannot film it. I can film it on my iPhone, which is the iPhone XS, which the quality isn't that bad. Like, it's actually pretty good at like getting things, but see, if I hold things too close it doesn't focus. It's still not focusing. See, and I don't want to be doing like a video on something and you want to see the details and you're not getting that high def 4K resolution, even though I film in 1080, because if I film in 4K, the video doesn't export, and then all this other drama with the editing because I use iMovie because I'm basic. But yeah, anyway, I thought I would update you guys and just let you know what's going on and why a lot of the videos I'll have pink and red hair, probably. But yeah, I don't really know where this video is going, but I just want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, because unfortunately I don't know if I'll be able to. Maybe I'll do another video near Christmas time. I don't know, but it feels weird because I've got all these pre-existing videos, so it's like I'm filming all the time, but I legit haven't filmed in like a week, and I'm getting itchy, so I'm needing to film for you guys. So I filmed this video, and yeah. Also, I did this makeup look today with the Jawbreaker palette, and I used purple Urkel and diamond on the lips as well because I wanted to match my scrunchie and my shirt, which I think is freaking, that's how I feel right now. Thank you, shirt, for the support. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions, comment them down below, and I will do them when my camera is up and running, which should hopefully be, like, maybe they'll get it done this week. If they don't get it done this week, it will definitely probably come in January, but that's okay. That's okay. We can make this work. We can make this work. There's no big launches coming, so it's fine. Someone did try to get the Jeffree Star mystery boxes for me, and then I was going to like pay them off slowly because I am a bit poor right now. But unfortunately they got the white screen, so I don't even have them. So I have really nothing coming of urgency to film. So, but if there is, I will film it for you guys on my iPhone if you guys are wanting. So let me know in the comments down below if there's a video that you desperately want out there, and I'll do that for you. But unfortunately I won't be doing any of your normalized content until my videos run out and if I get desperate. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry, and I know I'm rambling and I don't even know what I'm saying. I just miss you guys and I miss filming, so I'm just like, he's going to freaking talk to here. I'm just like, but yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.